This is how to deal with a client who does not want to give you their account or routing number after you ask for it. So I'm not gonna show the whole thing. It was just a whole going back and forth, but
giving out my stuff is so much fraud and so much bullshit going on.
that's the answer that I got after asking for the payment method.
Scams and shit.
Yeah, no, I understand why you'd feel a little uncomfortable. That's why
I feel just the way I feel. And anybody else don't feel that way, they're a damn fool. They get caught up.
So he was uncomfortable clearly, but let them talk. Don't cut them off. I've made that mistake before where I try to cut them off and explain myself, but that just makes you sound desperate. So what I did is I let him vent out whatever was in his mind because he clearly felt uncomfortable.
You could send me. You could send me a form through the mail, and I send it back to you too.
So he did not want to give it to me, but the way I handle this is I basically moved back a little bit. I said, like, Mr. Pitts, I gave you my NPN number, which is my national producer number. And then he asked me,
what's the name of this company?
Yeah, so it's going to be mailed. So this one's Corebridge Financial, right? So they're A-rated with the state, A-rated with the Better Business Bureau, but then...
So basically, I was just letting him know, like, again, using credibility with the carrier that we got him signed with. And then at the end,
account number,
he ended up giving me his information. So the way that I handled this was that I let him talk, right? If he had to say something, whatever he wanted to say, I let him talk. I agreed. I acknowledged, agreed, and then I didn't ask a question, which I should have, but in this one, I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I was playing it by ear because I haven't gotten the banking objection recently, so my mind froze a little bit. So all I could think of is just agree with him, let him talk, and he actually did me a favor by talking. So it just gave me more ammunition. And then at the end of the day, the guy liked me. But really, it's about gaining trust, guys. Make sure you don't cut them off. Make sure you bring up that you have the credentials. Make sure that you bring up that the company that you're getting them with is accredited. So they are backed by the Better Business Bureau. I don't know if they're A-rated with the state, whatever you guys are proposing to them, but make sure you use credibility bias. Like you hype up the company, hype yourself up, but stay calm and composed. Even if they're cussing you out, if they start accusing you that you're a scammer, stay nonchalant and then just roll with the punches. But drop any comments or questions that you guys have, and then if you already dealt with this type of objection, drop it in the comment how you guys dealt with it. Peace to the next one.